Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and creating the first templates. Install Elementor and Elementor Pro, then make sure PHP and memory meet requirements. This avoids slowdowns. Next, create or activate a child theme so your templates won't be overwritten. Once done, open Theme Builder and click Add New, choose Header or Footer to start. You're taking the first actionable step. Build the structural pieces before styling. This sets a reliable base for global parts and consistent site-wide layout. Now design the templates and apply precise conditions. Use sections and widgets to compose layout, turning repeatable pieces into global widgets for reuse. Then set display conditions so a header appears on the entire site or only certain post types. This is how you control scope. Make sure to use responsive settings for mobile, tablet, desktop, and add dynamic tags for titles, post meta, and images. Once each template is saved, test various pages to confirm content, displays correctly, and styles cascade as intended. Finish by saving, previewing, and optimizing delivery. Save your templates, preview in different viewports, then clear all caches, browser, plugin, and server to ensure changes appear. If you need portability, export templates or use revisions to roll back. Make performance tweaks like combining CSS, deferring JS, or offloading fonts. If things go wrong, disable potential conflicting plugins or temporarily switch to a default theme to isolate the issue. That single step often.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.